Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Ariana and my other group members are Aida, AQILAH, AISYAH and BALQIS. So today we are going to be presenting our workshop 1 user persona. Okay, so the way we are going to be presenting our user persona is that first we are going to take turns in explaining the goals, gains and pains of our persona. When we are done explaining those, we are going to explain about the product or services, resources, roles, and stakeholders. Now, I will present my user persona. So if you can see here, this is Andromeda An. Her name is Andromeda An. She is a 22-year-old degree student studying in business. The pains and challenges, that she has is that she is a person who likes to procrastinate. Of course, being a young adult in this era, we are bound to be distracted with all of the social medias. Basically, she keeps making excuses to not start her work. She obviously keeps getting distracted with social media. She is uncertain of the tasks that she needs to do, and she feels like she has ample time to do work when actually she does not. Procrastination is the bad habit of putting work to a halt until the day after tomorrow, what should have been done the day before yesterday. The more time she has to do things, the less she is able to get done. And as the famous saying goes, the greatest thief this world has ever produced is procrastination, and he is still at large. So, because of this, Andromeda has a goal to stop procrastinating and actually be on track with her work and submissions. She also wants to do work early so that she has less to worry. It will be much easier if she has a whole overview of the tasks that is pending for her, as well as submission dates for those tasks. She also would want a way for her to stop procrastinating her work, and that is all I have for Andromeda. Thank you very much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am AQILAH, and our next user persona is Alicia, a 24-year-old working mother and also a part-time degree student. Okay, what are her goals? Her goals are that she is trying to balance her time as a full-time working woman or a mother, and to manage her time with her studies, okay, and of course her work. Okay, she finds it hard for her to balance all these three together. Okay, what about her pains or the problems that she faces every single day? Of course, to juggle her time with work, to look after her child, and also to do assignments and study. And also, she finds it herself not knowing how to prioritize her priorities, or which one comes first, or which one comes later. And because of this, she ended up neglecting her assignments or her work, and of course ended up procrastinate. And other problem that she faces is that she does not have her time on her own, which is all me time. And this is because she's too busy um, with work, with her child, for studies, so she doesn't have entertainment for herself. That's why she feels unmotivated and also tired all the time. Okay, what about her gains? Okay, her gain is that she will be able to, of course, to manage her time properly with work, study, and of course her family or her child, so that she will be able to um, have her time on her own and enjoy her own time alone, of course, to for her own entertainment. That's okay, those are her games.
Hi, I'm Aisha. In this use case exploration canvas, I'm going to present our 19 years old user persona, Malik. He is from foundation student in UITM and he's having a problem with sorting out his task priority. Malik wants to identify the top priority assignments and accomplish his task by completing it accordingly. This is due to many tasks that he needs to handle and submit before the deadline given. Problems that he's facing are Malik does not have an effective schedule for himself. He also did not understand the assignments and tasks given during in class, which is the first step that he should do before anything else. Also, Malik's crucial issue that he's fronting is he cannot differentiate between urgent tasks and important tasks. Other than that, Malik always finishes insignificant tasks first, then settle the important one. So, Malik wants to have an effective schedule that's suitable for him that shows all the tasks he has according to the level of priorities. He also needs a reminder that can acknowledge him to complete his assignments.
Next persona is named Alice, 23 years old, student and female. The persona trying to achieve is Alice wants to have a proper alarm for her to consume medicine on time. The problem and challenges that she encountered is first, keep forgetting to consume her medicine because of having many due assignment. Number 2, need to finish the medicine on specific time. Number 3, stress to keep check the time to consume medicine. Number 4, busy schedule cause less time to focus on medicine. What would make it easier for them is Alice able to consume her medicine on time and the reminder keep her on track and it's stress free.
Hi, my name is Aida Fatini and I will be presenting about user persona. So, first of all, my choice of user persona is Easy. Easy is 20 years old and currently a full-time degree student. Based on her goal, Easy wished that she can get Dean List every SEM, and at the same time, she also wished that she can be an active member in her club too. However, Izzy currently facing a few problems to achieve the goals. The first problem that is she facing is she has a difficulties in balancing her studies and being an active club member. Secondly, she tends to prioritize the work for her club more than her studies. Thirdly, Izzy always puts off doing her assignment whenever she can. And lastly, she always feels demotivated while doing her work. Lastly, in the end of this discussion, Izzy really hopes that she can finally balance her life by having enough time to catch up with her studies, and at the same time, she can be on active members in her club by managing her time well.
As for the solution for all the users persona and time management issues that were mentioned earlier, we think that a proper product or service that can be used to solve all the problems is by creating a multi-function app that can be used to help and manage the problems that users personas experience. This is by creating and designing completed special features on this app which can help the problems, especially if they have occurred before. For instance, such as creating a feature where it can remind the users to do the assignments or even a reminder for any personal method related so that they can prioritize um, their priority, which one comes first or which one comes later.
Next is resources. Resources is one contributing factor for our solution, such as providing data or information needed in order to accomplish this service superbly. Campuses can provide data on students' class schedule, assignment submission dates, and also examination dates to sync with the application.
Number 7, role. What would be role as a government team or as a dual citizen in delivering this product or services together with others? First is from developer. which how they build the apps and who's their target market. Number two is designer, how they plan the apps to be and how it can help the user of the apps. Number three is visionary, planning how the apps can be interested and attract the user. Number four is quality assurance specialist, is they need to have good quality apps so the user can have their time management well.
Okay, next, the stakeholder. In our opinion, the stakeholders that should be involved in this project is studied. This is because they are our main persona in this case. Secondly, the counselor should involve in this project too. Thirdly, the lecturer. This is because they are tend to be one of the group that close to the student too. And lastly, the alumni. This is because the alumni already faced this problem before and they surely know how to tackle this problem.